Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to switch 5G off or on the Google Pixel 10a. We've already unboxed and set up this device here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and we've already had a tutorial or two published. So this is just the continuation of that. If you'd like to see more, make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Right, first things first, unlock your phone. Let's have a look at where the settings are for 5G. Usually what I do is pull down the notification shade, pull it down again, and at the bottom we've got a little settings cog. I'll press that. And on network and internet, I'm then going to choose the option for SIMs, choose the SIM card I want to make the change on, and there should be an option for preferred network type. If I tap on that, there's two options on the Google Pixel 10a. One is 5G, the default, so your phone connects to 5G, or 4G. If you tap on 4G, that switches 5G off. Great. So likewise, if you want to switch 5G on your device, if the network you're connecting to supports it, you can pull down your notification shade, pull it down again, go to the settings icon. From the settings icon, go to network and internet. In here, select your SIM card, so SIM, and then select the actual SIM card you're using. And then lower down, you'll have an option for preferred network type. And from there, you can select 5G if it isn't selected. That's how you switch 5G on. Excellent. If you have any problems with that, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. For now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.